In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable notifications on your Asus laptop, tablet, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your start menu and search for settings. Best result, you go back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then on the left panel, select System. And then on the right side, you want to go down and select Notifications. Versus notifications at the top, get notifications from apps and other senders. Toggle that on or off. And you can also customize it on an app-to-app level by just scrolling down. And you can adjust it for any particular apps that may be particularly troublesome. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.